Yeah, so what does it as? We spent time to train you on the things you are performing. So wonderful. Come and see magic. Come and see acrobatic. That's how you know what I'm going to hear. Hey, you're wonderful. Hey. Are you well done? You're not the police. I didn't say go for him. The action guys. The action. Hey. That's wonderful. You've got everything you need in African Grammar School. Oh, you know whatever. Anything you need, you'll see it here. We have characters and the characters. That's wonderful. Yes, sir. That's technical to know for this guy we are talking about. You know, I'm sure they are. That is a super good. This is no acrobatic. This is no method. This is no system. Yes, sir. I don't know. Yeah, I got it. I know it's here. Well organized. Well spent. You can see the border movement. It's wonderful. It's really fantastic. Church. How's the gun happening in the body in school now? Hey, I can see you don't wonder why you're so proud, right? This is a house retreat. This is a house is the all your support. This is a house the permit they will not sell you, they will not let you go. Hey, Jesus. God you, no one you couldn't answer. Next house, follow shoot. Next house, follow. You are expecting red house, ready in action, everything red, that one red, you know. See that the problem majestically. Do you know that follow? Do you know that follow? see the run, how they move. The run, they are moving. Yes, it is civil defense. Only security is around. The chief of security in Geneva is not around. They're running now. You're welcome. Yes. That's good. That's good. That's good. Aha. Oh, yeah. Correct. Wait, Alex. If you can't join police, you settle the stable defense. Now you're from off. All these things that are not watches. Come on, you're the head of action. I watch I'm the red. That's the right people. Now the people that train you people. Oh, I remember we have coppers here. These are competent coppers just from the. And that's how that has to work. No one of all these kind system techniques I'm seeing now. From all to coppers to this of the school. We need a nice job. Yeah. Now that we have it on our show. The people that train you people, you need a job. Yeah, carry on. Blue house, you're up. Now we got on our side. Blue house, start holding up. Blue house, get yourself set. Red, oh yeah, my boo now. I'm not about that. Huh? Be ready, men of my men, I'm not that. Blue house, start coming. Yeah, too much of our time, not in the Blue house, we're expecting you. Start coming. Yes, you're right. Yes, officer in charge is now watching around. CEO number Shadi Hane. Oh, we Hane. Yes, so now nobody's going to tell him. He wants to talk for what he see himself. That is why he's now here. Yes, that is right. The red is not bad, bro. They're trying. They're not bad. Please clap for them. Clap for red. Put out for today for them. No, they're not bad. They're not bad. No, they're bad for mine. Yes. Beyond, we're starting the Blue house. Blue house. Oh, this is wonderful. This is fantastic. This is really good. How many do? I don't hear you. How much are they wonderful? I don't think people look at us serious when they come to this kind of huh? That's wonderful. Blue house. Yes. Put down there, check it out. We're seeing you. That's good. Blue house. Organize yourself very well now. is already standard service. This techniques, all this acrobatic is the method we are discovering now. But this is actually standard of techniques. Yes, sir. Also, if you ever have a, you know, money, yes. Yeah, this one. That's right. I was on the other side. Welcome, son. Yeah, that greenhouse. You know. Yes. Most of our guests are arriving punctually.
See ya. Wait, that's the issue. I don't like a mobile bag now.
Yes. Look like a soldier now. The last house is Yellow House. Yes, I can see yellow moving like in this soldier and this even the person on about the hell. Yellow, pass through, don't know. Yellow. Get this one. Okay. Ourselves, we're not here to dance. Take your salute and other people come and do so we take the event. Thank you so much for your time. You are doing very well. Now, Yellow House. If you are here, clap for these people, they are trying not easy. Clap for them. Yellow, start coming. Clap for these people. Yellow House. In this house, we are moving around. Let me see that. Yellow House. This is the first something to recommend you. We are not here to save persons. Go and do something wonderful. You took time to learn all this is your doing. That is wonderful. It's really good. We have to emulate good things. We are not here to praise you. When you can't perform the praise my house. Not even my house. That's wonderful. Can you see something? Can you see magic? Can you see what is happening? Mama brought you. You come back from this particular school. And you see this. These are things we see in the orientation camp. They come back, carry go. They in the chance, they a second. Hey, Jesus. Jesus. Aha! Yes. Carry go. Carry go. Carry go. Carry go. Police. Oh, the police is away. Oh, the police. Hey! Yes. If I did my, you have to tell people come to church.